Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. This is my video 2 of my Wantable unboxings. So if you haven't already checked it out, go and look at my video 1 for Wantable unboxing. It was their limited edition bestsellers box. What I am going to be opening next is their Coastal Club limited edition. For those of you that are new or maybe didn't watch the other box, I recently ordered 3 Wantable boxes, and I think I actually might have ordered 2 more, and I've only gotten 3 in, but I'm giving them another chance, another opportunity to listen to what my instructions are. Check out video 1. I was very happy with that box. They listened, that stylist listened. Let's see if that can continue. So, Coastal Club, all right? We're not going to look at the prices yet. And we are going to see what we got. So, for those of you not familiar with Wantable, $21.40, a stylist will select items for you and will ship them to you for you to review them. You get to pick and keep what you would like. You get to ship back what you don't like or don't want to keep, and you get free shipping for returns. And we're diving in. Some of these items I might have requested. I did request some items. I don't remember which ones go to which boxes. And I can't remember everything I requested until I actually see it. So I will let you know if it is something that I believe I requested. All right, this first item from the Coastal is from Dear John, and it is a Cortado Henley long sleeve top. It is $59. It is navy blue, and you can see it's very lightweight material. I'm not a Henley type of person, so I will not be keeping this item. Although I do need to get better at layering. I don't think this is an item that I would even wear underneath something. And I'm on the fence whether or not $59 is a good deal for that or not. So I'm putting that aside. That's a no. The next is by Dear John, and this one doesn't have a price on it. So I requested, if you're going to give me short sleeves, they have to be sleeves down to the elbow. That is my biggest pet peeve, and the one thing that they have not did well at all. But I'm giving them another chance. Okay. This reminds me of Greece from last summer. So the sleeves, I'm going to give them okay, because it's very difficult to judge how long a person's arms are. So I'm going to give them an okay for selecting that. This is not me from the standpoint of it being white, but also it could be very see-through. So this is just, it's not me. And I don't think it's linen. But it kind of reminds me of linen. It's 100% cotton. And what I mean by linen is it wrinkles very easily. So it's gonna be a no for me as well. Next item is by Thread and Supply. It is $61. And it is a blue shirt. And I cannot remember what these are called, you guys. These are back in style. I've got okay. This shirt is back in style, I will say. I actually got one of these in a different subscription box. It is very heavy weight though. This is, it's heavy, but also light. I don't know if that makes sense. Now, with it being lighter weight, I kind of do like it, you guys. The only thing is, it's kind of like, it does not show well on camera. On camera, the color looks very, very good. But in person, it kind of looks like it has a dirtyish, greenish, yellowish tint to it, you guys. yeah, the color just, the color is just not right. So unfortunately that's going to be a no for me as well. Now, coastal. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence whether it's coastal or not. The next is Sunny and Sunny. It is a lightweight sweater, and I have seen this. Is it a sweater? No, it's a sweatshirt. I have seen this as one of their advertisements for their coastal. When I have seen it online, I'm like, I don't like that. Why does anybody want to ship like this? It's too much for me. Seeing it in person, I actually like it, you guys. So the price is $69. It is not white, it is cream. It's lightweight, and I actually like it, you guys. I actually do like it, so I'm going to set that aside. Now remember, the styling fee you do get to take off your purchase. So even if I only like one item, you know, I'm taking $21.40 off of it because I've already paid it. So it might be worth it, just, you know, to keep it. This next item, I'm pretty sure that I did request, and it's so funny because in the last video I talked about, you know, it's going into summer, even though it is sweatshirt here, it's cold, and that I must really, really, really like the sweater if I get a sweater because it's going into summertime, and I'm sure keeping a lot of sweaters, you guys. Okay, so this I believe I did request. It is a sweater. It is $89. I do like it. I am going to need to try it on just because it has got the holes so you can see your bra through it, but I need to see how much you can see the bra through it because I don't like wearing shirts under other shirts to make them non-see-through. So if I can get away not wearing anything underneath this, I might keep this. We're gonna have to wait and see because again, that's $89. It's expensive. But then again, it seems like everything's expensive nowadays. You know what I mean? Ooh, I might have requested these, but I'm telling you, I'm loving them because I'm loving the color. This is by Dear John. It is shorts, and I'm loving the color, you guys. It is kind of like a bluish gray. The color is beautiful, you guys. I'm loving them. I am loving them. Although I think I might have to go down one size. We'll have to wait and see. So it's a Northampton short. I love these. I don't know what the price is though. We'll see what, we'll confirm and find out the rest of the prices near the end of the video because I don't want to know what I'm getting ahead of time, so I can't spoil anything. This next item, I am pretty sure, I know they did send me one preview. So I thought that every Wantable box, they'll send you your edit ahead of time so that you can pick or you can select whether or not one of the items they picked for you if you don't want that item. Out of all these, I think I ordered 5 boxes. I only got that option to actually select what I didn't want of their choices for 1 box. These shorts, I said no to, but I can't say that I said no to them in this box because they could have picked these shorts in a different box because I ordered multiple boxes. But I will say I don't like these shorts. They're flowers. They're also by Dear John. You know, there is something about these shorts that's calling to me, although I don't know why. And I would never wear them even if I did keep them. I like the short, I just don't like the pattern, and they're $69. Moving on. We got another pair of jeans. And when I say another, it's because I've opened multiple boxes, remember that. So this is by Lovervet by Vervet. I do like Vervet jeans. They're mid-rise, they're straight. I do need some more jeans. So very lightly distressed. I do like the bottoms here. I think I might have actually requested these jeans. We'll have to see here at the end. I don't know what the price is though. So this is a baby as well. You guys, they're doing very well. And the last item is by Liverpool Echo. They are jeans. They're going to be way too big for me, I believe. They're wide leg. I can't do wide legs because I'm so short. They just don't look good on me. Yeah, I think this is going to be a no as well. So that is the Coastal box. What I have found is sometimes on these boxes, I will say no to something, and then you wait a few days and I come back and I'm like, I think that's growing on me. This is growing on me. I'm going to try these on because these are growing for me. Even though I would need to get a smaller size, I also want to look at the price, but they are growing onto me. So let's see how much these things truly are costing. And then what I plan to do is to do a final video that actually says these are the items they actually kept out of these boxes. So let's see here. The mid-rise jeans, nothing in this box I requested. Okay. These jeans, $89. The sweater, I'm pretty sure I requested the sweater. Maybe it was a request in a different box. That too is $89. This, okay, they call it a ginger shirt in Jolie wash, $61. The sweater with the ship, the Star Hossy Graphic Crew in cream, $69. The Hampton short in floral, $69. And the Hampton short in Skyway, $69. The Rhea short sleeve embroidered top, this one, $69. The patch pocket wide leg crop jean in vintage indigo stripe, I am not keeping because $119. Nope. And last but not least, the Cortado Henley, $44.25. $44.25 is a good price if you like that. So, okay, so the merchandise total for the entire box is $678.25. If you keep 5 items or more, you can take up $135.65. You get to discount the styling fee. Now, I believe the styling fee I said before and I paid total was $21.40. But they are saying the styling fee credit I get on this box is only $20. My assumption is I don't get the sales tax. It's a 7% sales tax. So that's where I'm tying the $21.40 to the $20. So you get $20 off. Then you add on the sales tax. So if you kept everything in the entire box, it would be $559. If you keep 5 or more items, period, you get your styling fee 20 off and you get 20% off. You do not have to keep the entire box to get 20% off. So how many items do I like that I might keep? 1, 2, 3, 4 items. I like 4. So this is where math comes into play, you guys, because is it worth keeping a 5th item to get the 20% off? You got to do the math. Got to do the math. So, all right. So this, we are wrapping up now. Oh, I wanted to say one other thing too. They did throw in this card here into the box, and it says, loved your wantable pick. We thought you might. That's why we'd love for you to check out the full Seas collection. And they give you a QR, they gave me a QR code on the back to check out this other collection. Okay, so that wraps up the limited edition Coastal Club from Wantable. I am happy. The 4 items I'm happy with. And I do like these one pants, but $119, nope. But overall, they listened. There was no super short sleeves, so it's a win for me. So, if you had enjoyed this, and you'd like to watch the next video coming up, which is my third box from Wantable, stay tuned. Subscribe, click the like button. I'd love for you to stick around. Again, I know I have one more box in transit. I think I might even have a 5th box in transit. Losing track, guys, but thank you for spending some time with me, and I hope you guys have a great week. Take care. Bye-bye, everyone.